Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a new video for you. Okay guys, on our last video we had people telling us how to teach how to do wallet to wallet conversions, and that is what this video will entail. We'll be talking about how to convert from one pair to another on Bybit, and then we'll do that also from Phantom wallet. You have to know how to do that. You can convert from USDT to BTC, and if you already know how to do it, after this video, if you learn how to do it on Bybit, that means you must have already learned how to do it on multiple platforms like Binance, Luno, and the rest, because they are all the same. Okay, so that is what this video will entail, and follow this video to the end. Thank you guys.
Hello guys, so let's dive right in. We'll open the Bybit application. So the total distribution in this wallet is 292, and I will go even forward to show you the total equity. So this, we are holding only USDT in this wallet, so we want to show you how to swap to other coins as well. So as you can see, yeah, this is it. This is the total equity in this wallet, all in USDT. So we'll try now to convert to Solana, convert to Ethereum, and show you how it's done, and also convert to BTC. It's quite easy. So let's dive right in. You click on the convert option. Once you click on it, it takes you to where you can see your holding. So we'll choose with this shown on BTC now. We'll move it to USDT. And then I want to do $50 worth of USDT to BTC in this current rate. So one BTC today is 68,000 plus in dollars. So this is what it gives you in BTC, 0.00072840. And once it shows you your preview, what you get, you just dive right and get your quota. Conversion is complete. This is very easy. So now this wallet has a $50 distribution of BTC, and it was swapped from USDT, as you can see. So we also try this from USDT to Solana to see, or BTC to Solana. Mistakenly click 30. We don't have up to that, so we just click on max. So this will do the maximum number of BTC you have here to Solana, and it's giving us 0.57 blah 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 in Solana. Or as you can see also, that's a preview. And once you click to move ahead with it, straight up is converted. So now this wallet has both USDT, Solana. So we also want to try and swap from USDT to Ethereum. Easy peasy, just the same way you've done for the rest. Also, let's try a $50 worth of USDT to Ethereum and see how much it gives us. Okay, this is it, 0.0250 blah blah in Ethereum. Once you click, it goes up straight up. Easy. This does not have any big schematic on it, no further mathematics, just straight up. And you can see I've divided my holdings to USDT, Ethereum, and Solana. And you can do this in order to get yourself in a secured position in terms of market fluctuation. Always hold USDT, so you don't hear stories that much. We just move straight forward to how to do this on Phantom wallet. It's still the same process, so we'll dive right into it. So straightforward, we'll open our Phantom wallet to see how it's done. Okay, this is our Phantom interface. You can see the option of swap there. So as the name implies, just click on the swap option. So we'll be trying from Solana to USDT. And you have to note that for you to be able to do anything on Phantom, you must have Solana, because they charge their fees in Solana. So we'll try 0.06 or so in Solana, or 0.8. I think this should give us like $6 point something. This is also cash, but we want USDT. And as you can see, Phantom provides a lot of options for you to swap to other meme coins, any coin you can think of. But note that you must have Solana to be able to do that, because the fees are in Solana. So let's go right in. Once you see the quota, how much it gets, you see the network fee also in Solana. Once you click on swap, it goes right in. Yeah, it's swapped already. So this is easy, just the same way. It's done on Phantom, and as you can see, we have our USDT holding. You can also do that and swap your USDT back to Solana. You can also swap the Theta Gold you can see here back to USDT, and so on and so forth. So this is how this works basically. No too much drama on it. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video.
Hello guys, so if you follow to the end of the video, that means you already know how to do a wallet to wallet conversion, how to convert from one pair to another on Bybit and on Phantom Wallet. And we'll be dishing out more of this video. Just make sure you follow the page, you like and subscribe. Anybody you know starting their crypto journey, make sure you recommend this page to them. It's still your boy Joshua, and see you on the next video. Ciao.